Let's get you news that's coming in from the state. It's a mega battle over the batenge to katenge remark as Uddhav Thackeray has now upped the ante against the BJP. Uddhav Thackeray has now attacked the BJP with a remark that says lootenge or batenge. Listen in to Uddhav Thackeray's counter.
आणि सगळे मिळून महाराष्ट्र खाऊ यांची जी काय वृत्ती आहे, लुटेंगे और बांटेंगे, म्हणजे महाराष्ट्र लुटेंगे आणि दोस्तों को बांटेंगे, ही यांची खरी गोष्ट आहे. बांटेंगे या कटेंगे वगैरे नाहीये. महाराष्ट्राला लुटणार आणि आमच्या म्हणजे त्यांच्या दोस्तांना वाटणार, वाटायचा, लुटायचा आणि वाटायचा.
So this was the counter by Uddhav Thackeray to, this is a response to the BJP's batenge to katenge, the attack that has come in from the BJP. My colleague Arunil Saradekar joins us on the broadcast with the details. Well, Arunil, batenge to katenge and ek hai to safe hai, this was one of the key pitch for the BJP, being printed in the ads as well, being mentioned in the rallies time again, and now Uddhav Thackeray coming in with his own counter saying lootenge or batenge. Okay, all right. We'll try and reconnect that line with Arunil. But Uddhav Thackeray now responding to what the BJP has said. Uddhav Thackeray saying batenge or lootenge. In fact, Nilesh, my colleague, joining us live on the broadcast with the details. Nilesh, over the last few days, we've been discussing the BJP's pitch of batenge to katenge, ek hai to safe hai. And now it looks like the Maha Vikas Aghadi, Uddhav Thackeray in particular, has come in with a response.
Well, absolutely. For past few weeks, it was batoge to katoge and ek hai to safe hai. And now it seems like the Maha Vikas Aghadi leaders finally have come up with a counter narrative, which is batoge to pocket cutting. And this is very much similar in line with the slogan that was earlier raised by Congress just yesterday. And now Uddhav Thackeray seems to be following that very slogan. How will it counter the narrative of Bharatiya Janata Party, who are trying to, or at least are saying that they are trying to unite the voters on basis of the vote jihad which earlier took place. And now it is also becoming significant because just yesterday PM Modi addressed a rally, a massive rally in Mumbai. There yet again, not only PM Modi but Devendra Fadnavis also repeated the slogan of katoge to batoge. PM Modi yet again asked people to unite and also mentioned that how Congress and other Maha Vikas Aghadi alliance partners are trying to divide the society on the basis of caste, and they have to be aware of the strategy that is being used by the Maha Vikas Aghadi alliance. And now Uddhav Thackeray and Congress party coming up with a counter narrative is what is new in the political arena of Maharashtra. How will it shape in the upcoming days? Will there be new slogans by the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Mahayuti alliance is what every eyes will be on.